Hey guys, welcome back to NATM Trailer Safety Week. Today's topic is going to be trailer wiring. Wiring is very important. That's going to be what turns on your lights, your brakes, even hydraulics, depending on what kind of trailer it is that you're pulling. Periodically, you've got to check out your wiring. Just make sure that you're not going to run into any issues. Of course, a trailer walk around should involve a light test. You need to check each clearance light, turn signal light, brake light, and even reverse lights if your trailer is equipped with those. You also need to check the wiring all along the length of your trailer. Make sure that you don't find any pinch points or any exposed wire that could lead to a ground fault as well. Yesterday we reviewed how to do a quick brake check. Now if you find any issues with your brakes, it could very well be a wiring problem there as well. You want to check the wires right by your brakes, make sure that nothing has been pinched off, and once again, that you just have a clean connection everywhere. Quick tip as well, before you start tearing into your wiring when you find a problem, make sure you check the fuses on your tow vehicle too. There's separate fuses that operate the lights and the brakes on the trailer that are different than the truck. It's much easier to check and replace a quick fuse than to tear out all of your wiring on your trailer, only to find out that it's a fuse in your pickup the whole time. If you have any questions regarding your wiring at all, reach out to your nearest dealership. That's what we're here to help you with. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.